Model, 65-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 100PS 310 Trend Kombi L2 High RF Spares OR Repairs Open Mouth Smile. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 101247. MOT, 21 April 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a misfire. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,775. Click the link in the description for pictures.